Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money to your Fusion Markets account. Right now we are here at trading accounts, and if you click on trading account, you will find here the button to fund now. That means deposit. Then we click here on fund now, and now we can right here click on deposit and then select right here your trading account that you want to deposit. Then after that we click on continue, and then right now we can deposit with our bank transfer, with crypto, Visa, PayPal, and a lot of more options, but we want to do this with our bank transfer. So we click on bank transfer and then we do continue. Then right now what you need to do is make money to this IBAN with this BIC and this reference, and then after that you just deposit money to your account because they will send it to your trading account. So do this, then after that click on done, and this is the way how you can deposit money to Fusion Markets. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.